So today I'll be showing you how to type with one hand on the Samsung Galaxy Z TriFold. Now, the easiest way to type with one hand is to simply fold the phone, but of course you knew that, and that's why uh, the reason you're here is because you're trying to do this with the phone open like this in the big screen, and you have a split screen keyboard. How do you type with one hand? So you have to change the keyboard layout or the keyboard style, and you want to tap on this icon right here, tap on that, and then choose floating keyboard. Okay, and then with this floating keyboard, you can move it either to the left or to the right, depending on which hand you want to type with. And also, if you tap on settings and then under the Samsung keyboard settings, you go to size and transparency, you can actually adjust the size of this little keyboard so it can be the exact size you want, so that when you want to type, maybe with the left hand, you can just grab it like this and type. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.